When we speak about AI and ML in operations, how have you been able to leverage the technology and digitalization to either improve your operations or efficiency? Can you share some anecdotes on that?
Yeah, I think interesting thing. I think today, if you look at it, the AI or technology has grown multifold. Now, if you remember, in past, even if you have to open an account, the document used to physically travel from one place to other place. So at times it takes 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Today, thanks to the AI or digital initiatives, we can actually open an account on real time basis. I can actually open an account under 5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes. So I think that's what is the delight for our client, and hence customer experience actually goes to a next level. So I hope that continues to amaze all the customers and all of us as bankers, and we're learning on a daily basis.
And using digitalization, do you see much more transparency is available to both the institution as well as the customers?
Of course, because earlier, for example, a lot of decisions used to take a lot of time. Now today, for certain set of customers, since I have a lot of data on their behavior, their transactions, their patterns, so we can today have preset rules, predefined engagement or scoring models, which enable us to understand what is the next best action available for our client without client actually coming and asking for it. So eventually, if you look at it, this turns out to be a customer experience which earlier was missing. Earlier, customers used to wonder, what is the best offer, which bank I need to go, what kind of documents are available. However, today, banks are proactively reaching out to the customers, looking at the data or the analytics available to them. Hence, for example, there's a Diwali season coming, and there's a businessman. He must be looking to stock in a lot of stocks for himself. So if I have enough data for him, so I will proactively reach out to him as a bank and say, okay, hey, a festival is coming. Do you think you need some help? And if track record is there, I can say, okay, I can offer you a pre-approved loan or a OD, and hence it gets done quickly when he can sit at his home or a shop and without troubling his business. So I think those are a few examples, which I think is adding a lot of value to our clients, and obviously adding a lot of confidence to the banks when they lend.
Correct. And lastly, do you see that that using AI and ML, the number of defaults or the financial lending has improved the quality of lending?
Definitely, yes, because now you have a lot of intelligence in terms of data warehouse, which tells you a lot of insights in the customer behavior. Hence, you are able to take informed decisions. Earlier, if I go back to older models, there will always be certain kind of subjectivity available. However, now this has further become more data-driven, more model-driven, hence less risk. And hence your performance quality gets improved, which obviously is the desired outcome.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.